First you need to go to Start menu, go to Setting, left side menu, go to Windows Update. Check if there are any update is remaining. Just tap on Update option, or you can resume the update, or you can check for tick on Check for Update option. Once it is updated, you can restart your computer. Then after, go to search bar again, type CMD, right click on it, tap on Run as Administrator like this. In here you need to type sfc/scan now. Hit enter. Once it is done, you need to type DISM online cleanup image restore health and hit enter. Once the process is completed, restart your computer. And again go to search bar, search for run, tap on it. Here you need to type msconfig like this, tap on OK. Go to services tab, tick the hide all Microsoft services option. Then after, go to startup tab, tap on open task manager. Under the status section, disable all the enable file. If this is enabled, tap on disable. Do the same thing for all the things. Once it is done, you can close this one, tap on OK. Again right click on your start menu, go to device manager, double tap on display adapters, right click on your driver, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers, and go back, go to second option, browse my computer for drivers if the first one is not working. So choose this one, choose your driver, tap on next. This will reinstall the same installed driver. And check on your PC if there is a overheating issue. Make sure to fix that issue, because it also helped reason for the crashing problem. Then after, go to search bar and type run again. In this type, you have to type power cfg.cpl. Hit enter. Tap on choose what the power buttons do like this. Tick the change setting that are currently unavailable. Uncheck turn on fast startup like this. Then after, tap on save changes. Then restart your PC. Okay, go to search bar again. Type event viewer like this, tap on it. Double tap on Windows logs. Go to system system file. If there is error happen, you can see error codes in here. Do the same thing for application also. So you can find error codes from here. So you can try to fix that specific fixes. As the initial step, if none of that methods are not working, go to setting again. Under the system section, and scroll down and come to the recovery option. Tap on reset PC. Tap on keep my files if you don't need to remove the files. Then after, tap you can reset your computer. So these are the methods you can try to fix that issue. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe.